3208 and a 1977 Wanderlodge FC. So for timing, we put the pin in here. This is a bolt that comes out of here. You take this bolt out, you put it in there, and you rotate the engine clockwise from the front here off of this crank nut until this pin goes in and the pin on the top of the fuel injection pump goes in. And then once you have that timed, you can pull this bolt off from the injection pump and remove the injection pump. You're blocking the light. Here it goes. Can you see that? So we're pulling this is the lock for the drive gear. I'll have to get the puller to release the, oh, dropped something. I think it was a washer. Alright, so we got to pull the gear, which is back here. Let me tone down this light a little bit. So you see the piece with the little holes in it there. That's the actual timing gear, and then the center part is the injection pump. So what we're going to do is actually pull this gear off that. It's a cone. So this is the puller that we use for that. So these two little bolts, the little bolts on the side, screw into that gear, and then you can pull it. Let's see if we can. If I'm lucky enough, I got it started, I think. See it? Get it. These don't have to be super tight, they're just going into the gear. So then you just start to push this in and it'll push the gear off. There it goes, just like that. So now that gear is loose. You can see there. Take the puller off. So now that gear is separated from the gear is now loose from the injection pump. So we'll be able to pull the injection pump out now. All right, so you got to pull these two bolts out here. This is the timing pin, by the way. So this is the other timing. This is how you time the fuel injection pump. So we'll show you that on the new one. this. Take this timing pin out. Put this back in. Alright, so this thing should be loose. In theory. Coming out of there. Nothing's holding this up here. Come on. There it goes. Let's couple of those caps. Do you have that bag where we did the put the air compressor in?
Here you go.
Let me get it out here. Be ready back there. Just let me lay it on it. Hold those back. Those green ones on there. All right, that's the injection pump is out. So that's the. Where the heck are we here? There we are. So that's the back of the gear right there that we pulled it out of. And then you can see here, the front of it has a cone that meshes into the gear. And then that's where that bolt goes through the front and ties it to the timing gear. We got to clean, we got a little coolant ran down in here, and we'll clean up a little bit. Alright, so we got to, this pin has to drop in so we're timed with the engine. So we have the pin in the front of the engine. So we're going to turn this over. What I did was I put the bolt in the end of here that comes out of the front of the gear so I can turn this. So we're going to turn this until this pin drops in. Right there. I want to make sure that's the spot. So that's the proper timing. So we know that this is in place to match the engine so that the injection timing is correct. Alright, so I was going to show you the tubes that come off of an injection pump, Caterpillar 3208. So there's one that comes off the bottom, and then there's two that come off the top. So this one comes off of the top up here, and then this one comes off of the, that's actually a bleeder screw. So when you open this one, you can bleed your fuel system. That's what you open, and we'll show that bleeding procedure later. But we'll pump the fuel until we start to see it come out of that tube, out of that bleeder. So that's the bleeder screw. So this, either this tube or this tube leaking, so I have that one marked with red, and I marked the ends so you could tell in the future which one's leaking. So if you know either one of these two tubes are leaking, you got to do some work inside the pump. So the top one is the throttle seal, and that one's a little easier to fix. The bottom one, if it's leaking, that means the pump needs to be rebuilt. Alright, we got the new pump here. guide these down the side here. That's it there. I think we're in. Adjust these hoses a little bit. Should go down the side of the engine there. Okay. I'm going to bolt this down. These. Right, that guy's in place. So now we'll go back to the front and mount the, put the bolt back in the gear housing, and so the timing will be set. So our pin is still dropped in the hole here, and I'll show you the pin in the front. inch and a 1/16. Can you see this?
Yes.
So these bars, if you notice, the holes are offset. So you want to put the side that's closer to the bolt toward the inside edge of this. Otherwise it sits up on the casting